What you see here is a 1973 Sears Jon Boat that's been fully customized. It's all aluminum with foam throughout underneath this front deck. It's got storage compartments that are watertight. There is a duck blind here, and these poles fit down in the fishing rod holes here, and then you can hang your duck blind camo from them. Got a shotgun box here. Got full lighting and switches. Got nav lights. Got cabin lights. Got the battery box and relay system back here. It's got new batteries. It's got 2 bilge pumps built in on those switches. It's got a black water system here, 2-blade prop. It's got 6.5 horse Briggs & Stratton by Vanguard. And what are the batteries for? Electric. There you go. Comes right up. Something else I didn't mention is it's got the float pods on the back. Makes it extra stable out with 2 folks on it. Hunted many times. Comes with everything you see here.